Hey, my name is John Mendez and welcome to the YouTube channel. It is my goal with this channel to help make AI and marketing simple for you. So, quick story. 2 weeks after turning 20, I got my real estate license. And 4 months later, I was asked to teach a class on social media. My first class ever had over 440 agents registered for it. And that kickstarted this whole teaching journey. And I've dedicated the last 4 years traveling the country, both in person and virtual, teaching agents and business owners how to leverage AI and marketing. And it even allowed me to deliver my very first TEDx talk back in 2024. And the main takeaway from that talk was AI won't replace you. Someone using AI will. With that said, I want to personally invite you to the AI Won't Replace Me challenge. All you have to do is click the link in the description below and join us in this challenge where I'm going to be covering how to become irreplaceable in the age of AI. See, back in the day, if you needed, let's say, a realtor, your 3 options were to ask a friend, check the local newspaper, or look someone up in the yellow pages. Nowadays, people are looking up on ChatGPT and TikTok for the best realtor on XYZ city, and if you're not the one popping up, you're going to be losing out on tens of thousands of dollars and a bunch of clients that you could have potentially had. Now, I know the industry is changing faster than ever, and there's a lot of agents and business owners who are neglecting AI to some extent, and it kind of reminds me of the story of Nokia. See, Nokia was the #1 selling mobile phone manufacturer in the entire world. But then, in 2007, Steve Jobs announced the very first iPhone, and it changed the game forever. See, now Nokia thought that because they were successful, they could keep on doing things how they've always done it because they were on top and they didn't have to get with the times. And next you know, by 2014, they were bought out by Microsoft. Microsoft had to come in and save them from going bankrupt. And in one of the final speeches, the former CEO said, "We didn't do anything wrong, but still somehow we lost." Fast forward a decade later, and Nokia is just a memory of the past. No one talks about it anymore, and if you were to ask someone in my generation what a Nokia phone even looked like, I doubt they'd remember. See, in the challenge, I'm going to be covering how to prevent this from happening to you when you join as a VIP member. All you got to do is go to AIWon'tReplaceMeChallenge.com or click the link in the description. And when you join as a VIP, we're going to help you future-proof your business so you don't end up like Nokia. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and I hope to see you on the next challenge.